Okay.
I didn't invite you here to make me feel dumb.
Good morning, guys. It is a rather late morning here in Makati, Manila. Today is a special day. We've got a lot of exciting things going on, starting off with a visit at Erwan Heussaff's cooking studio here in Manila. Erwan reached out to us a few days ago and asked if we're busy when we're in Manila, if we have time to film some videos. So of course we said yes. I've been watching Erwan's videos for quite a few years now and I love his content, I love his cooking content, so really excited for that today. Right now it's time to check out of the gorgeous view hotels in Poblacion and head on over to Erwan's studio. So let's go. I looked into my reminders on my phone and I found a reminder that just says, and this reminder I made I think 5 months ago, it just says one thing: remind me to do the thing. And this is not a joke.
No really? Way. No way. There you go.
Exactly.
There you go.
Crazy.
That's hilarious.
So this was before I had met you guys or ever have heard of you guys. And I don't know what that reminder is about.
Yeah,
it's just there in my phone.
Yeah. You're doing it now.
I'm doing it. So as you can tell by the insanely good lighting in my face, we've obviously arrived at Erwan's cooking studio here, and it is really awesome. Really awesome. This here is looking very promising. Here's the man himself, Erwan.
Guys.
Hey. Hey. How's it going? Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks for coming. So we're making pancit today.
You guys know how I like to cook, especially in our Miami vlogs. So it has been a pain for me not being able to cook anything whatsoever in the past few months. I mean, we've literally been on the road for so long, and that's why I'm so excited for today. So for us before this trip, we did maybe like 10 days in a row of daily vlogs. And then, I mean, probably with them guys, we had to keep up, you know. At the beginning I was struggling.
Yeah.
Still struggling though.
I'm so tired.
It seems to motivate each other to, you know,
To try
keep.
to do what's right.
Exactly.
It's been good. And I'm sure you guys have tried pancit a couple times. It's really important to have steps just because you keep all the integrity of the food rather than cooking everything in one pot and then it becoming just like, blah. Like, you know, no texture, nothing like that. Feel free to like make fun of me or anything like that. I like mine really chunky and
How does the judge like it?
I actually have no idea. But he does love his Filipino food.
Okay, good. Well, bad.
Not good for us.
So what's gonna happen here, the noodles are just gonna naturally absorb all the flavor, they're gonna cook down, and then you're basically have you guys taste it so you have a reference.
One single pancit noodle and meat, just a mountain of meat.
Mark, do you have any physics questions for us?
Oh, physics questions.
About cooking? About
Okay, yes, I do have a physics question.
Alright,
So-
wait a second. We have these unofficial series that we usually play when we're in a taxi.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Mike,
Physics questions
physics
with Mike,
questions.
but we'll do it cooking theme today.
okay,
So,
that makes sense.
which reaction do you call the browning on the meat when you're kind of frying it? When you're searing it in the pan?
You know.
I was like, that's the only one I know.
I know it.
Okay.
But I'll give you a chance.
George,
I think I
what's
know.
your answer?
Can you just rephrase?
How do you call the browning on the meat? What happens? I'll give you a hint.
Cooking.
It contains the word effect.
Effect.
Oh, then I'm right.
Oh, the browning effect.
Not quite.
Okay.
Lucy?
I don't know it.
No? Nelly?
Maillard effect?
Yay!
Mandela.
1 point for us.
That's not part of it, is it?
Which temperature can you achieve the Maillard effect?
Ooh, that I don't know. I didn't invite you here to make me feel dumb.
We have it all the time.
In Fahrenheit, then you'll have that will be the most common temperature in baking bread. Because when you bake bread, the browning on the bread is also the Maillard effect. Fahrenheit.
I'm very bad.
No?
350?
Yeah, 350.
Very good. Very good. This is two go-to temperatures. If you absolutely hate it, feel free to say it. This is kind of just to give you that base of what you're looking for in terms of flavor.
Yeah.
Where does that touch of sweetness come from?
The Chinese sausage.
Ah, nice.
Chinese
Oh,
sausage.
Yeah, it's good.
and
Salty.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's just like Erwan just showed us how a proper pancit is done. Now it's up to us to recreate the dish as well, not really recreate. I mean, make a pancit, but our own kind of recipe from the ingredients here.
Add our own twist to it.
Add our
That's
own
how we
twist to
like
it,
to
yes.
say it in the videos.
Exactly.
We're not allowed to discuss
Yeah.
this before we start.
I think I'll make it a little bit more traditional Filipino.
Please do.
So by the way, these are the behind the scenes. Getting all these nice B-roll shots over here. Oh yeah. All right, Mike.
I can't say what the idea is until they've prepared their dish.
Exactly.
Because
So unfair that you're going second.
I need me some GoPro 7. That's all I can say. I think I've reached a point in my life where I'm over the GoPro Hero 6 and I need to go to the 7. So.
It's time to step up.
You can buy it off us when we win.
Guys ready for this?
Oh, we're so ready.
Yeah, it's easy.
I would just like to say that after this competition, I'd still like to be friends with you guys.
I'll let you know.
Whatever happens in between.
What happens in the kitchen stays in the kitchen.
Agreed.
In case you're just joining us, basically Erwan invites people to cook in his kitchen because it makes his cooking look really good because they don't actually know what they're doing. So what he does is he puts them on the spot to cook, and then everybody knows, it makes his cooking look really, really delicious. But
Very true.
I'm just joking, man. Erwan's a good cook, so.
It's becoming recognisable now though as pancit.
Got 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
It's pretty good.
So guys, another YouTuber just joined the squad. You guys know him. He's highly requested on my videos.
I don't want to disturb
So
them.
we are
So I'm gonna stop talking.
nearly the end of our challenge. It smells good, exactly.
Right?
Okay, I think I'm done
There's
mixing.
still more stuff to sleep. Leave it.
Okay.
We do all our vlogs together, so we're a good team.
Yeah.
So I know when I need to step back and she knows when she needs to step back. So it's,
Yeah, cooking is like I need
so
to
that's
step
good.
back.
And then with the vegetables, we'll just do like a nice medley. We'll get some of the cabbage in there. Hang on, are these the same?
Yeah.
Yes. they're the
Yeah.
same.
So we get some of the cabbage in there. We'll get some of the paprika in there. Some mushrooms, or I don't want it too squishy. I want more like crunchy things. So we'll get the beans in there, and yeah, just have fun.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and you're off.
Perfect.
Alright.
Could you please get the fat off the pork belly?
All right.
Kind of chop up the fat and the Chinese sausage. So, plating. Oh, I'm nervous. Am I going to get that GoPro? I never wanted a GoPro, but now I want it. Now I really want it. I'm not good in front of camera.
You're not used to it.
Let me do this as we
I feel like I have to cook my pancit again now.
Well, this is going to a table. He'll have a small little dish with vinegar, soy sauce, and some chilies. He breaks it in, right? I will say that looks very nice. You plated that beautifully.
Delicious.
Oh, now you guys love each other. A while ago wasn't that friendly, was it?
Before we even start, the last one I tried, I think I was a bit. I actually said the SH word. I never swear, but it's because George brought up Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
So I got a little inspired, but anyways.
Oh, yeah, just let
looking
it
at
out.
this one,
Let it
okay.
out.
Okay, we're going in. Big 4.
Nervous.
So,
Usually only people eat my food that have to say they like it.
I'm gonna
Yeah, just keep in mind they had raw noodles.
It's pretty good. Like, I enjoyed that. The noodles are a bit better than theirs. But I say that too, but after a few minutes when I tried yours again, it was better. So I'm wondering if it was just, you know, the consistency needed a bit more like watery downness, and then when it soaked it in, it was delicious. But this is really good actually. Yeah, that's really good. Both of you guys, like your guys' as well, it's not like not enjoyable. Like it's actually like I would happily just eat that for lunch. Both of you guys' pancit. It's like there's nothing overpowering. It tastes like you actually know what you're doing. And I usually don't know what I'm doing when I'm cooking, so that was really good.
Okay, we can all agree it was a lot of fun, right?
Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah.
So nice to be behind the stove again and just cooking.
I'm vlogging them, you vloggers.
Vlog-inception.
That's for Kumar, my cameraman. My cameraman always just yells at me, I'm vlogging you, vlogger. Anyways, I just did something with them, and I'll explain it more later because I just don't like talking to everyone's house. Studio. So, I'll talk to you more later.
Thanks, Erwan.
Thanks for coming.
So much fun.
Thanks so much.
That was mediocre.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
That was great.
Thanks.
That was great. You guys actually did really good for your very first pancit. I was very impressed by both of you.
Thank you. Thanks so
Okay,
much.
Mike, we need to practice.
I was impressed by his.
Shooting was Christmas series.
Yeah?
acting like a cook.
I was fearful for a while.
Skills are that one.
All right, so we had an amazing time. Audio? So we had an amazing time filming here. This was a lot of fun. People are gonna absolutely go nuts when they see you in the vlogs.
Because I'm drinking straight gin out of the and I'm going nuts.
We're gonna head out and explore a new coffee spot that was recommended by many people, including Erwan. Are you guys happy with how the day is progressing so far?
Incredibly happy. Incredibly.
Yeah?
We had so much fun.
Exactly.
You guys are
Lucy?
going to enjoy
What they said.
What they said.
What they said.
Cool.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'll see you next time.
Yes. Yeah. Perfect.
Great.
Oh, that's still a secret.
Thank you for the supreme judging.
Are you still rolling?
I'm still rolling.
Oh my gosh,
I'm rolling again.
don't worry, I'm gonna abduct them and steal them and do something fun in the future. It will happen.
All right.
And if it doesn't, you can blame Mike and Ellie.
Next time I'll have you cooking here.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Alright, that coffee spot was absolutely awesome. So that is just another one of those locations in Manila that I can come to and enjoy my coffees. And now we're just gonna go around the corner because there's another restaurant here that we really like. It's called the Wildflower Cafe and Bakery. They have a kick-ass burger, which George and I are gonna enjoy now. So a lot of people have been saying George and I need to do the Jawbuster burger challenge at some burger place. I'm sure we'll get around to do that, but for now, this thing is going to bust my jaw.
Oh, wow, Lucy.
They look good. Meatballs.
So that burger was so delicious. I'm just heading out right now to a Toby's Estate coffee shop that is located just around the corner here, because I'm gonna get George and I a flat white takeaway while we wait for our grab that will take us to our next hotel. Oh, sorry. I'm running. I'm jogging after I've eaten so much food. Before we head on to the next hotel, which is again a Marriott hotel here in Manila. It's so awesome that we're able to work together with the Marriott hotel again on this stay in Manila. We'll have a great view, I think, even from the hotel. It's very close by the airport, and it's a lot of awesome things are around that area for us to do. So it's really psyched about that. Plus, the beds are so comfortable. So guys, we just arrived at the Marriott Hotel and I would like to give you the grand tour of our beautiful suite here at the Marriott Manila. So as we enter, we have a beautiful large mirror to check our style. Then you proceed on and you arrive at the gorgeous bathroom with separate glass enclosures for your toilet and your shower, while you can be observed while you're being showered. Plus it has like a fancy closing thingy, which is really nice. The shower itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's like the one that we had in the Courtyard Marriott in Iloilo City. It's so nice. Such a nice shower.
You might want to proceed to the bedroom.
Oh yes, please, let's do.
Which is also... Yeah?
Before we proceed though, we are hooked up with an accoutrement, a selection of decaf and caffeinated beans for the Nespresso machine. I think these will need to be swapped out post haste. Some snacks. Some
already won Mike's heart with the coffee.
Gourmet popcorn, yes. I do wish George and Lucy were behind the store, but they're a little bit farther away.
Yeah, maybe we can have a sleepover here.
Oh yes. So please explain the gorgeous bed, sleeping room.
Yeah.
Sleeping area.
To the right we have 2 beds. That's because they had availability.
Amazing beds imported from the United States for extra comfort.
We have some loudspeakers. We can actually watch our vlogs here.
Oh yeah, we should do that.
Review our vlogs.
Yes.
And also, what we as content creators love about hotels is
a nice
table.
working space.
This is not something every hotel has, so this is top notch.
And a nice little couch with a view. I can sit here drinking my morning espresso.
Oh yeah. Who could that be?
Good evening, this is Michael.
This is so heavy. Oh, here we go. So George, what's your verdict of today's collaboration?
So much fun.
Yeah.
It really was good. We always say that it's good. We hate to ever force collaborations. We've never done that. All the collaborations we've ever done, even meeting you guys, you and Mike, it's just been so natural. It's just been people we get on with, like-minded people, fellow creators, and we just had a lot of fun today. It was so generous of them to invite us over.
Sorry, floor selected is a restricted floor.
Use our key.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
There we go. Yeah, a lot of fun. Can't wait to see the finished video. I hope everyone watching is as excited as we are as well.
Yeah.
And this hotel's nice.
It is. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Oh.
Incredible. So we definitely had lots of fun today, good vibes, and it was just amazing. Truly amazing. Would you do me the favor to close the vlog?
Of course. You don't have outro music, do you?
Sir George Warren.
Of course. You need to get some outro music, guys, because then you can roll it at this point. Okay, guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Lucy and I also daily vlog, but I'm not here to plug our channel.
You are. Feel free.
And
this is your
this is my moment. With both channels. I feel weird. Did you feel that? From the lift, I felt like the floor was moving. That was weird. Both channels are daily vlogging right now, and we've got loads of exciting stuff coming up. So I'll see you tomorrow. Nelly will see you tomorrow. Mike will see you tomorrow, and Lucy will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.